Hey everybody, it's your boy Body by Ian, and today we're doing something different for you. We're gonna do my first giveaway. So make sure you stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so you don't miss anything. Let's go. So everybody, I'm really excited about doing my first giveaway, and today we're giving away the PV 510 plus mic, Lavalier mic by Pop Voice. I did a review on this, and I'll put the card right here. This giveaway will start on October 9th, which is Wednesday at noon, and it will end on the 16th at noon. The winner will be on Thursday. Only one winner, sorry everybody, but one winner. And there'll be daily entries to help you get closer to be the winner. And it's going to be a great thing, and this is especially great for anybody who's doing a lot of vlogging, blogging, inspiring YouTubers. I got this just to help me out, as well as a lot of my video work, and it's been definitely a big help. I hope this will help you out, and it's going to be on kingsumo.com. I will put it in the description and right here underneath me. And I just hope someone wins, they like the product, and I can't wait to ship it to you guys, and it's gonna be awesome. But make sure you like, you comment, you share this video. Make sure you stay tuned for many other great content I have coming up for you. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so you don't miss anything, and let's enjoy life and have fun with this. And on to the next video. We are out.